lubrication. So next step will be polishing, and polishing we first wet the pumice, wetting the pumice and polishing after. This is our finished partial denture. We have the region that was broken over here, and now our denture is ready for wearing. That is it. So now today you are doing a denture repair, and the next video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this on my channel. Thank you.